In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Instants. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, update Instagram from the App Store or Google Play Store so you have the newest version of Instagram. Then open up Instagram and go to your messages by tapping the DM icon down in the bottom middle of the screen. From here, you're going to see an instance option right here. Go ahead and select it, and you're going to see everyone's instance. You could swipe through them. After you swipe through them, you're going to have the option to go ahead and take your own instant. Now, Instants essentially lets you send real-time photo updates to close friends or mutual friends, and the photos can only be viewed once, and then they disappear after 24 hours. That's really the entire process of it. It's kind of like Snapchat in a way. That's the closest similarity, I would say. And you can send it to close friends, or you could adjust the audience before posting, but go ahead and take it just like so. We'll take a picture real quick. And as you can see, we have a new instant just like so. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.